Good day, family. Welcome back. This is Coach Jay coming at you. Family, listen at this. I trust above all things that you are prospering and that you're in good health, even as your soul prospers. Family, I know that the market has taken a dip. I tell you, this is the best time to invest. This is how multimillionaires and billionaires are built when they're buying the dip. Yes, buy the dip. We don't know how low it's going to go, but it's lower than it's been in several years now. So I just encourage you to not give up on it. Do not take your money out. If nothing else, just squat and hold, as we used to say in the Jump Master world. Squat and hold. Just don't do anything. Just be still. Just be still and know that the market is going to rebound. If we look at history, once again, past performance does not predict how future performance will be. But I'll tell you, if you look at the cycle, you look at the cycle of the market, some people, some of these billionaires are getting super rich because they sold last year when the market was very high, because that's the principle of the thing, is to sell high and to buy low. Now that the market has taken a dip, I guarantee you they're out there buying. They're not saying it, but that's how it works. That's how the money game works. So I looked at over what I did over the last month of investing, and I have definitely doubled down myself because I learned from 2008 when Warren Buffett was saying, get get fearful when others are greedy. Others, when they're greedy because they are trying to buy when the market is climbing so high. And the value of whatever it is really higher than what it should be. But he says, get fearful when people do that. Then he says, get greedy when others are fearful. So people are pulling their money out of the market thinking it's going to continue to go down and go down to zero, whatever. He said that's the point when you get greedy. So what you do is buy when the market is low and you sell when the market is high. But I like the long-term game where I'm just doing daily cost averaging for the most part. Like I said, I did double down because I learned from 2008. History does not repeat itself, but it does rhyme. I've heard people say that before. I didn't make that up, but I'm saying it to you, this audience. History repeats itself. It doesn't repeat itself, I'm sorry, but it does rhyme. So I invite you to continue to invest, continue to look for those opportunities like I did in 2008 when I bought my home that I'm in now that's paid for, and I bought it at a discount. It was a tremendous discount. Now it's worth 3 or 4 times more than what I bought it for, and I just held it. What, 17 years later now? Yeah, yeah. So anyway, look for those opportunities because this is a great time to invest and be very wise with your investments. Be wise as serpents and harmless as doves. Family, I love